Welcome to our review of the Riccar R65 cordless stick vacuum. This versatile cleaning tool combines convenience and performance, making it a great choice for those seeking an efficient and user-friendly vacuum for everyday cleaning tasks. Equipped with a powerful motor and motorized brush roll, the Riccar R65 cordless stick vacuum excels at picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces. It transitions smoothly between carpets and hard floors, offering strong suction for daily cleaning needs. A significant advantage of the Riccar R65 cordless stick vacuum is its HEPA filter, which captures allergens and fine particles, improving air quality. The filter is easy to access and clean, ensuring consistent performance over time. The Riccar R65 cordless stick vacuum offers a runtime of about 40 minutes, suitable for most cleaning tasks. However, larger homes may require more frequent recharging. The dust bin is easy to empty, though it may need frequent attention during thorough cleaning. Additional features like LED headlights and swivel steering enhance the vacuum's usability. These features help illuminate dark corners and improve maneuverability, making it easier to clean around furniture and tight spaces. While the Riccar R65 cordless stick vacuum offers cordless convenience and effective cleaning, its battery life and dust bin capacity might be limiting for some. However, its strong suction and HEPA filtration make it a valuable tool for maintaining a clean home. In summary, the Riccar R65 cordless stick vacuum is a convenient and effective cordless vacuum, ideal for those needing a lightweight option with good filtration. Thank you for watching our review, and we hope it helps you make an informed decision.